Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to bind data with grid view and using data table. So we have taken one grid view and we have given grid view name to gdcust. Now click on the retry button and see we have created query select star from cust and we have also created one reader which is RDR. This is the same code of previous example. Now create data table. Data table can be created using data table class. Write object name is equal to new and data table. We have already executed the query using execute reader method. Now to store the value which is retrieved from the database in data table, dt.load method is used to store the data which is retrieved from the database into data table. Load method accept one argument which is reader. So we have to pass reader which contains the value of database and we have passed RDR to load method. Now we have given GD cust to data grid. Now to bind this data table data to grid view, GD cust dot data source which is data source of grid view. So we are giving data source to grid view is equal to data table. After giving the data source to grid view, we have to bind grid view with one method called data bind. So write gd dot data bind. So this method will bind grid view with new data. So let's see effect of data table and how data is retrieved from the database and how we have bind the data using data table to grid view. Click on the retry button. We can see the data is retrieved from the database and it is binded to the grid view. So this is the method how we can retrieve the data and store it into the data table and bind it to the data grid view. So this is about data table and binding data with grid view. Thank you.